Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel, Welcome on Tours. Hope everyone's doing really well. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you're new to the channel, we go around all different areas. At the moment, mainly Europe, but we're in Turkey at the moment, first time here. And I'm going to take a little wander around to take you guys with me. So, never been to Turkey. We are in the beautiful Marmaris, and we're staying all-inclusive. I will show you the hotel a little bit later. We arrived yesterday evening, and we are now going to go and meet another content creator. I'll keep that quiet until I get there. And yeah, we're going to see what Marmaris has to offer, what the beach is like, whether or not we like it. Comment below if you have been to Turkey, what your favourite destination is. At the moment, really liking it. Only downside is it's a little bit far from the airport. We flew into Diliman, but we did get a transfer, so it was really good. But yeah, so far not bad. Lots of places that you can rent, as you can see. Scooters, quad bikes, mobility scooters.
You put your
Hello.
camera here. Hello.
Hiya.
You put your camera here and see everywhere in Marmaris. Go mountain. Go
That'd be a good way to travel around with it.
It's good one, better than walking.
How much is the price for this?
How much is it?
25 all the day.
That's not bad. We
Yes,
might come
you
back.
can take it all the day.
Yeah.
With all the scooter, but this is better for you.
Yeah.
You go slowly, it's great one.
Okay, we'll
Okay.
come back there.
We're just around the corner, so yeah, thank you.
How about Jeep Safari for tomorrow?
We'll be back, thank you.
All the day.
There you go, we can travel in style. I've always secretly wanted one of those. I might actually have to get one. 25, not bad. I'm still trying to get used to the prices here because I'm so used to euros. So we went to the shop, just to give you guys an example. Had to buy some toothpaste, deodorant. We got a bottle of water and a little chocolate bar. It came to about £4.25. So I thought that was pretty good. But because we're all inclusive, we haven't actually brought much more. Did get some beers last night. How much was that? I think it was about 7. Today the weather is a little bit windy at the moment. This is going to reach about 27. So that should be lovely. But I'm going to stop watching and show you guys the beach. Oh, sorry. No, everyone wants to be on camera. Morning.
Keller her götü eller.
So a lot of the sun loungers are on the beach, so it's really reminding me a little bit of Zante. Hello, morning.
Morning.
Really nice. So let's have a look at the prices. So Golden Sand Beach, free sunbed, free swing, free canoes, free Wi-Fi, free shower, free kids beach. Oh, it's not bad. Huh? Ah, there we go. That's what we were talking about. So let's give you guys an idea. This is what it is currently.
51 tomorrow.
Ah, thank you very
It's
much.
gonna go up to 51.
Okay.
Northern Irish money, Scottish money, Irish money, exactly same rate, same as
Ah,
UK.
okay.
Usually, the Turkish banks don't take the Scottish and Irish notes. That's
Yeah.
why the people struggling to change it here.
Ah,
So my wife is English.
yeah.
We got English account, so
Yeah.
people we always change it. Okay.
And do you guys take euros here?
What we do?
Euros? You don't take
We
euros?
do take euro, but the euro is not big.
So if you
Not
come
a lot.
here,
You know
either
what I mean?
get
I change nearly
lira.
3 grand English money every day.
Okay,
Euro, I
It's
don't get
not.
cost a lot.
there you go. You heard it first.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Have a good day. So obviously that's going to change depending on the date that you come. We're currently here and it's May. There we go. Thank you. Thank you. We haven't hit the bazaars yet. We will be doing that because I want to get some bargains and get some nice little genuine fakes, as they call it. So like I said, it's a little bit windy today. Hopefully the wind dies down later on. And we're heading to Salt and Pepper at the moment, which is a bar along the waterfront. So let me just show you what we got. So we got Pucker Bar, Steakhouse. So yeah, it's nice restaurants right on the beach. What's this? Waffle, ice cream, slush puppy. Hi, morning. We've already eaten, thank you. Yeah, YouTuber. We're okay.
I don't know.
We got to go meet someone, yeah, but thank you.
Where are you from? England.
England.
How many followers have you got? How many followers have you got? Just coming up for 4,000.
Just coming up for 4,000, yeah.
4,000?
Yeah.
I thought it was 4 million.
No, not yet. Hopefully, don't forget to subscribe.
Perfect.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, yeah.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day, yeah? Thank you very much.
I really like that they've got like little docks going out with seating area. Don't know if you guys can see. We walked past last night and they had sort of like candles and stuff, so it was really nice. You got all the boats going out. So you got like little catamarans, normal boats. Wow, all the look at that over there. It is really, really pretty. It does really remind me of Greece. Obviously, we're very close to that. Oh, that one looks really nice up there as well. This one's all like wooden. Let's check this one out. What is this one? Felix. There we go. Right, but we're going to Salt and Pepper, which is this one just here. There's lots of good everywhere as well. And we have run into our friend, and this is Tez. Tez on tours.